My arm is so itchy.
This movie's so good. Ew, is that skin?
I'm sorry, my arms are just really itchy.
Don't worry, Max. I can help you.
Really?
To help Max, we need to make an exfoliating scrub. First, add the cane sugar. Next, we need grapeseed oil. And finally, add peppermint oil. The peppermint oil will add a nice smell. Now, we just need to mix it all together. Now it's ready for Max to use. Here, Max, put this on your arms. Scrub it over the affected area. Finally, use wet wipes to wipe it off. The scrub exfoliates the dead skin.
Wow, thanks, Lily. My arms feel so much better.
No problem, Max. I'm gonna go make more popcorn now.
Oh yeah, sorry.
All done. Time for blush. Oh no! Where is it? Oh, I thought I had it right here. Oh no, my night is ruined. No. What's wrong, Becca? I don't have any blush, and now my face is so boring. Don't worry, Becca. I know what to do. You do? Yeah. But first, I need this. To make a cream blush for Becca, all you need is lipstick and coconut oil. Next, the lipstick. Now, let's melt it in the microwave. Just melt it for 15 seconds. Now, we just need to mix it together. Once it's all mixed together, just let it sit and cool so it can solidify. Here, Becca, use this cream blush I just made. Really? Are you sure it will work? Yeah, just try it. Okay. Wow, it looks so good! Thanks so much, Lily! No problem! Time for my date! Hey, Max, are you ready to go to the party?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Ooh, maybe you should check the mirror.
Huh? Oh no! Oh, I can't go to the party like this.
Max! I think I can help!
Really?
Yeah, I'll be right back! To help Max, all we need is some toothpaste. Now let's go take this to Max! Here, Max, use this!
Toothpaste? Are you saying my breath stinks?
No, just put it on your acne. The toothpaste will dry out the pimples. Just wait 15 minutes and then wipe it off.
Whoa, my skin looks so much better. Thanks, Lily.
No problem. Are you ready to go to the party now?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Lily, wake up! Let's take a picture. Okay. Okay, say cheese. Oh, can I see the picture? Sure. What? Oh, my bangs. Oh, how do I get rid of them? Don't worry, Lily. I know what to do. All you need is an ice pack and 2 spoons. Set the spoons over the ice pack and let them cool for about 10 minutes. Next, you can place the cold spoons under your eyes for about 5 minutes. Are you sure it'll work? Just trust me. Okay. The cold spoons will help the puffiness in your eyes go down. Can I take the spoons off now? Yep, 5 minutes are done. Ooh, my bags are gone. Thanks, Becca. I'm ready for another picture. Okay. Ooh. Time to put on lipstick. Huh? What? Oh, I can't do anything with my lips like this. Oh, where's my chapstick? Oh, what am I gonna do? Everything okay, Lily? Oh, I can't put lipstick on with my lips this chapped. Oh, Lily, I can help you. You can? Yeah, just let me use your lipstick. First, to help Lily, we just melt the lipstick. Next, we need petroleum jelly. Now we just have to mix it. Now that it's fully mixed, it's ready for Lily. Here, Lily, try this. Okay. The petroleum jelly will moisturize your lips, while the lipstick adds a nice tint. Wow, it looks perfect. Thanks, Becca. No problem. Wanna go watch a movie? Sure.
Oh, Lily, can you help me?
I'm kind of busy right now.
Oh, come on, please.
Max, are you okay?
Yeah, I tripped over your makeup brush.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You need to be more organized.
Oh, but I don't know how.
Don't worry, I'll help you. All you need is a container and coffee beans.
How's that gonna help?
Here, just watch. Just pour the coffee beans in the container. Now we just put the brushes in the container. Now your brush holder is ready to use.
Thanks, Max.
No problem. Can you help me pick up the boxes?
Okay.
Oh, Max, Lily, have you guys seen my makeup sponge?
No, sorry.
Have you checked under the ground?
No, I'll check right now. I can't use this. Oh, I need to buy a new sponge. Go! I have an idea. I'll use a balloon as a makeup sponge. They look kind of similar. Now time to test it out. It looks perfect. Thanks, guys. You're the best.
No problem. One more time.
All right, let's go.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you the newest eyeshadow trend. My brush is dirty. But so is this one. All of them are dirty. Oh, I have to cancel my live stream. Bye guys. Man,
What's wrong, Lily?
I don't really have time to clean, so all my brushes are dirty.
Oh, I know how to help you clean quickly.
You do?
Yeah. All you need is a Lego piece.
Oh, how's that gonna help?
I'll show you.
But before that, do you guys like makeup? Leave a comment down below. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done! Thank you. Now back to the show.
To clean the brushes, all you need is to add some soap. The Lego acts like a scrub and it's much easier to clean your makeup brushes. Here's your brushes, Lily.
Wow, thanks, Becca.
No problem.
Okay, I'm gonna get back to my tutorial now.
Okay. Max, you want to go on a date? Right now? Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure I look okay. Oh, my lips! I can't go like this! No!
Becca, are you okay?
No, I can't go out like this! Look at my lips!
Oh, they kind of look dry, but I know how to help.
Really? You do?
Yeah, all you need is honey.
Oh, honey, how's that gonna help?
Here, just put it on your lips. Just leave it on for 2 minutes and the honey will moisturize your lips.
Wow, that's much better! Thanks, Lily!
No problem.
I'm gonna be late for my date! Bye!
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video!